Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today is a Monday. You're going to see this on Tuesday, but it's really my Monday. And, well, Monday means scaventure, and so I went scaventure today. Now, I went for a little teeny scaventure because I took Harper with me, and we had things we had to get done. So, since it was his day off, we scaventured just a little bit, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got was this art bin, okay? So I found this, and it's in really good shape. You know, it's nice and clean, and it's in really good shape. It's not broken or bent or anything anywhere. The latches work. So I figured that was a good deal, so I picked that up. And then I was in the bags, and I found this. This is a Henry Clay cigar box, and they're from, this one's wood. It's a wood one, not a cardboard one. And it is about 4 3/4, give or take, by 7 1/4 by about 3 3/4 tall. So, you know, I grabbed that because I thought, you know, everybody likes a good cigar box. So I grabbed a cigar box. They're good for stuff. I'm going to put some buttons in it, I think. So then I found some more bags. And I saw this in the bag, and I had to figure out what it was. So I went ahead and I grabbed a bag, and I opened it up, and it was full of this. Hey, man, let's not all be tied up like that. Okay, here we go. So it was full of all of this. Now, this stuff's pretty cool. It's about 4.5 inches from here to there, you know, from the top to the bottom. But then it's got these on it. And these are about 4.5, maybe almost 5 inches. So this whole thing's about 8 inches. And I saw it, it was like it was all cut up. See, it's in these different pieces, and some pieces are bigger, and some pieces are small, and some pieces are, you know, they got littler dangly things on them. And then there's another piece with the big dangly things. I have no idea what this was or what it was for or anything, but I grabbed it because it was kind of cool. And then I found this. Now, there was 2 pieces of this. And this is kind of cool. Let me get this out of the way. So I found this. I have no idea what it is. It's lace, but I don't know what it was from. Okay? So let me pull this back so you can see it. There you go. So this is the top, and this is the bottom. And it looks like it's been cut out of something else, but I don't know. But this is definitely the top. And let's see how big this is. So at the points, it's over 1 foot long. It's like 13 inches long. And then right here, it's like 11.5 inches long. And it's a pretty big piece. It's like a yard and a half, and they're both about the same size. So I got about 3 yards of this. So I don't know. I'm probably thinking like maybe like a 18 inches pieces or something. I might sell this. We'll see. But I got 2 pieces of it, so it was kind of cool. So I grabbed that. And then in that bag was this. And this is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that really clear, but those are crystals. And they're just sewn onto this little piece of taffeta here. Taffeta lace. Taffeta ribbon. And it's a pretty good piece. It's probably about 2, maybe 3 yards. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but it's really pretty to look at. So I got that. It was in there. And then there was one more bag, and it was this one right here. And I got this bag. And a lot of you guys liked mine. And so I saw this, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, gotta have it. So I grabbed it, and it looks like somebody was using it to stamp paint or something. So I don't know if it'll clean up. It should. It's, you know, it doesn't affect it, though. I've tried it. And what this is this is from Provo Craft. And this is a 12 slot stamp. Letters and numbers. See, there's numbers on one side, and then it goes into the letters and has the whole alphabet. It's block letters. And, you know, you just ink and stamp. Okay, so I grabbed that because, you know, everybody asks about mine. So I saw this one, so I grabbed it. What else did I get? Okay, so I went scavenger to the Dollar Tree. And I got some maple leaves. And there's some orange and some green and some yellow. And then there's like some gold back in here and a couple of speckled ones. And then you can see there's some with some veining on them. And they're really cool, you know, some bi-colored ones and things. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's 50 pieces for $1, so I grabbed that. And then there was these. Look at, they're colored eyeballs. Aren't they cool? There's 60 of them in here. Come here, you. Flip over in the bag. Why? Because I want to see you. Flip over, flip over, flip over. There we go. Look, eyeballs. Eyeballs. 2 eyeballs. Okay, so I grabbed those at the Dollar Tree. And then I came home, and I had some mail, and this was in my mail. And these are little flower fairies. And they're kind of cute. And they're very, very, very adorable. So I'm going to do those. And then the Hubber and I, we've been cleaning out storage because, well, we got like a huge storage room full of stuff. We have a 3-car garage, and we have a separate storage, and the storage is like full of like camping gear for me to take my 7 kids, myself, my hubber, my mom, and some of their friends camping. So I have like 5 tents and like 15 sleeping bags, and just, it's way too much stuff. And then I've got all the family holiday stuff is all here. You know, like I've got all the Halloween stuff. Well, I like Halloween, so I have a lot of Halloween stuff. But then I have like all the Thanksgiving stuff, and I have all the Christmas stuff, and all the Easter stuff. And you know what? It's time for my kids to start taking some of that stuff. They got kids of their own. They need to take some of the family stuff and put it in their collections so I can thin out my collection, because I'm tired. I got to haul that stuff all over the place, and we're getting ready to move again because this house is ready for us to go. So we're done here. We're going to buy another house and move into that one and get it fixed up. So we brought a bunch of stuff over, and I found a bunch of cool stuff. Well, some of the stuff that I found was stuff like this. These are vintage Victorian style Valentine things. They're just note cards, really. And but I thought, you know, these would be really cool for use it in a journal or something, you know, or even just sending some thank you notes or happy mail or something. So I pulled those, and I thought they were kind of cool. And then I found this. And this is just a notepad. It's not a sticky pad or anything, but it's actually joined on the side here. And, you know, I like to use these as like journaling spots in some of my journals and stuff. So I thought, you know, that would be kind of cool. You know, I could maybe do something like this and turn it into a pocket. It could be a pocket in one of my journals, you know, and you could put like a card or something in there. It would be really cool, right? So I grabbed that, and it's pretty thick. So I grabbed that and brought that into the house. And then, for some reason, every time I go to the store and I put my debit card or my credit card in, it tells me the bank's not on file. So I was trying to check out today, and I ran my card, and it said, not on file. And I went, stupid machine, because it always tells me that. So the nice lady there, Marianne, she's the manager, and she knows me. Hi, Marianne. She watches my show. She gave me these coupons, so she gave me 20% off my next purchase. And she gave me 2 of them. So when I go in on a day that, you know, they don't work, you know, like there's not a 50% off sale or something, I can use these and still get 20% off my stuff, which was really cool. And that's it, guys. That's all I did today. I just did a little bitty scavenger, and I bought some stuff, And I had some stuff waiting for me when I got home. And that's it. I had a really, really kind of slow day, and we went through boxes in the garage and sorted some stuff out. So that's it. So do me a favor, if you haven't done so already, hit that red button down there and subscribe, okay? Then like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends, because I got sparkly stuff and coupons and letters and flower stuff and punches and all kinds of good stuff. See you next time. Bye-bye.